Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, TGT Math, and today I am going to start the chapter Linear Equations in One Variable. So, student, as you know, in the previous chapter, what are variables? Variable are the terms which has no fixed value. Now, in this chapter, we will frame variable numerals in an equation. Students, a question is arised in your mind: what is an equation? How can we identify the given statement form in an equation, and what are equation and what are not? So student, here are some examples. Identify which are equation and which are not. For equation, we have three parts: left hand part, an equal sign, and a right hand part. There are two parts, either left or right, on equal sign. For example, g is greater than 4. Student, this is not an equation because here is the absent of equal sign. Y is equal to 40. This is an equation because this is left hand side, this is right hand side, and equal sign. 8j is not equal to 15, so this is not an equation. R plus 18 is equal to 20, this is an equation. X upon 2 is equal to 20, this is an equation. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, this is an equation of numbers. 7 is smaller than or equal to 7a, this is not an equation because here is the symbol of smaller and equal. T divided by 9 equal to 81, this is an equation. And u is smaller than 100, this is not an equation because an equation consists of three part: left hand side, right hand side, and equal sign. This is must an equation having equal sign in place of smaller than, greater than, and not equal. So student, here are some symbols which will used in an equation. Are this symbol is stand for equal, this is compulsory for an equation. This symbol is called greater than symbol, this will not use an equation. This symbol is called greater than or equal, one greater than symbol and one symbol of equal, greater than or equal. This symbol is called not equal, this symbol is called less than symbol, and last this symbol is called less than or equal to. These will see in an equation which will identify the given equations are an equation or not. So you will easily identify because an equation having only equal sign instead of these sign. Student, the next part, what are linear equation? A linear equation is an equation of line. It may have one or two variable. Example of one variable: x plus 5 is equal to 9. This is an example of linear equation in one variable. And x plus y is equal to 25. This is an equation. This is a linear equation in two variable because x and y are two variable here. But in the both cases, the maximum power of variable is 1. That's why these are called linear equation. Identification of a linear equation is to check the variable is compulsory and having the power 1, not 2, not 3. The absence of variable is not a linear equation. अगर आपके if you find there is no variable in an equation, so that is not a linear equation. I hope student you will understand what are linear equations. So student, every linear equation in one variable having the correct solution or unique solution. Solution, the another name is called root. For example, if a linear equation x plus 5 is equal to 9, then what value of x is satisfy this equation in LHS is equal to RHS, left hand side is equal to right hand side. If we put x is equal to 4 in this equation on left hand side, replace x by 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. In place of x we put 4, so 4 plus 5 become 9 is equal to 9. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So x is equal to 4 is called the solution of given linear equation. So student, how can we frame a linear equation from the given statement? In this statement, read carefully. 7 times x. In place of time we put multiply the number 7 times a. In place of gives we put equal. So this is a linear equation in one variable from statement. 7 times a gives 14. This is called 7a is equal to 14. Another example, 4 is added to y gives 10. Again, in 4 is added to y means y plus 4 in place of gives is equal to 10. So these are the examples of linear equation in one variable from the given statement. You can try more at home from book. So student, identify where we should put the equal sign. So you can check these words in sentence is, was, will be, am, equal to, result in and gives. If you find such words in any statement, we put equal sign instead of these words. Now if you find such word added, total, together, increased, more than, we put plus sign instead of these such words. Now in such words, difference, minus, decrease, less than, take away, you put minus sign instead of these words. And student, at last, if you read such words products, time and multiply, you put multiply sign, and instead of divided and quotient you put divide sign. So student, I hope you will understand and identify the symbols from the given word in a statement given to form an equation. So student, I hope you will understand the term of linear equation. How can we frame this? If you face some difficulty, we will discuss in our live classes as well. And next part, the solving of an equation will continue in my next video. Thank you.